Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making some beef light soup which will be enjoyed with some fufu during the recently passed Easter, and this was specifically enjoyed on the Easter Sunday. If you are Ghanaian or you know Ghanaians, you know that after church the vibes is all fufu vibes, so that is what we are going to do today. Ingredients for the beef light soup include Toolo beef, Wele, and some cow meat. This soup was made to serve 4 people. That's why there's less meat being added in the soup. If it was for a larger group of people, then we know that the meat should be increased. But since it's just for 4 people, these are the 3 types of meats that we'll be using for the soup today. We will also be using red pepper, garden eggs, red onions, some salt, ginger, garlic, and we will also be using some fresh frozen tomatoes. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin with, wash the red pepper, the frozen fresh tomatoes, and the garden eggs. As you take off the tips of both the pepper, the garden eggs, and the tomatoes if any. Don't forget to divide the garden eggs into 2 with the aid of a knife. After doing all that, wash it thoroughly and then place it into a saucepan which will be used in cooking it. Add in washed and peeled red onion. When the veggies are cooked and are as soft as you want it to be, remove it from the source of heat and set it aside to cool off completely before it is blended. Now pick up the ginger, another red onion, and the garlic, and then peel them off its respective coverings and then place into a bowl. Add in some water, wash it thoroughly, and then pick up an earthenware bowl, wash the earthenware bowl and the wood masher. Now place into the washed earthenware bowl the ginger, garlic, and onions and then grind. After grinding the onion, ginger, and garlic into a paste, set it aside and then let's move on to the washing of the cow meat. Place the cow meat into a bowl, add in some water, and then with the aid of a knife, clean off any dirt or film that might be on the covering of the meat. Do so for all the pieces of the meat as you place it into the saucepan that will be used in preparing your soup. While this process is being done, remember to remove any fat or any tiny particles of hair that might be on the meat, just as seen in the video being displayed. After cleaning it off the film or dirt, wash it thoroughly and then place it into the bowl again. Now add some water, rinse it off and place it back into the saucepan that will be used in cooking it. After that, place into the bowl of water used in rinsing of the meat, the wele and the beef. Wash them thoroughly off any dirt that might be on them, and then place it into the saucepan which will be used in cooking the soup. After that, add some water to the ginger, garlic and onion paste in the earthenware bowl. Use the wooden masher to push off any of the paste that might be on the edges of the bowl, and then pour it into the saucepan containing the washed meat. 15 to 20 minutes until the meat is as soft and tender as we want it to be. As the meat is cooking, place into the blender cup the cooked veggies, which is the onions, the pepper, the garden eggs and the tomatoes, and then blend until a smooth paste is obtained. And we are back to check on our meat. It needs a little time to cook through and through, so we leave it on the source of heat. After 5 minutes, place onto the saucepan being used to cook the meat a colander, and then pour into it the blended ingredients, which can be diluted with some water before this. Then strain it of the seeds in the mixture, and then remove the colander from the saucepan. Now use a ladle to stir everything together and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes at most. When it cooks for about 10 minutes, peel one red onion, wash it thoroughly and then place it into the soup to cook with the soup. After a few minutes, take it out of the soup with the aid of a ladle, place it into the earthenware bowl and then grind it into a paste with the aid of the wooden masher. Scoop the paste. At this point, let's serve our fufu with our soup. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.